Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Pin-Up Box. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powells and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The Pin-Up Box was made using 4 different types of wood: jatoba, venge, maple and bubinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box, then lock them with the pin, and to check if your solution is correct. Flip the box and see if all the parts are still in the box, the solution is correct. If some of the parts fall out, that means that the puzzle wasn't solved correctly and you have to try to solve it again. This puzzle has 6 parts, and if you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that there are 4 pieces here with a circle cut out. These are the parts that you can put the pin inside. That means that if one of these pieces is next to the opening in the box, you can stick the pin inside. You have to put the rest of the parts around this one. This puzzle isn't very difficult to solve, but it is quite interesting. There are many different possibilities how you can just put parts inside of the box, but not all of them work correctly, since in some solutions you won't be able to put the pin inside, or in some solutions when you put the pin inside and flip it, the parts will fall out. So you have to find the correct one where all the pieces will stay inside when you flip the box. If you like the Pin-Up Box puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.